Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a Case 1845C. It's a 1998 model. It has 2,341 hours on it. It's a 57 horsepower. Has an operating load of 1,750 pounds. Tipping load of 3,545 pounds. We're asking $9,900 for it. It's a very good running machine. Has a nice set of never flat tires on it, and it's got the Cummins diesel engine in it. Just a really nice machine for an affordable price. I'll have my son demonstrate it for you now. By the way, it has hand controls. That's a nice feature this machine has also. If you want to see all of our machines that we have for sale, you can go to texasskidsteer.com. Or you can just give us a call at 817-220-0100. Again, our phone number is 817-220-0100. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.